there, everyone, and Happy New Year. We're just doing stuff. And, sorry. And now I am glamping. Wherever, what the heck? Okay, yeah. Okay. And today we're going to, well, basically today.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do
today.
basically on New Year's.
Yes.
But we're just gonna play survival for a little bit. Nobody really is on because it is New Year's. But Happy New Year's, everyone, and happy birthday to Miranda. And just so you know, my nickname is Glam. Right there. I'm Glam now.
They can't see that. They can't see your fingers.
I know. No.
I can't kill you. Can't hurt you.
Yes, I can. Okay.
Can't.
Well, yeah, what should we do?
I don't know. I don't know what we do. If only we had fire.
I don't know how to make them.
How? Make them.
Huh? I used to make like many of them.
Well, make them. Make them.
I need a lot of gunpowder.
What?
I need a lot of gunpowder.
I have some. How much gunpowder do you need?
How many fireworks do you want?
2.
No, I need about 10.
10?
Yeah. I think so.
Enjoy gunpowder.
4. I'll try. So yeah, I think I might have gotten this working to be recorded on mine. Oh my god.
I too.
Alright, wait on a second. I'm gonna search up on my phone.
Sorry for the background. Pretty good?
I think so. Maybe.
Yep. If only we had even more gunpowder.
Oh yeah.
What?
I mean gold nuggets. So if you have gold blocks, please give them to me.
I have
not you guys, of course not you guys.
I have ingots. Wait, I have nuggets in my chest. Pretty sure. What a time is one? Oh, never mind, you can see it on there.
Yeah.
Never mind. I think they might be them.
I'm gonna just mine it off of the tree. We have a few gold blocks there.
Oh.
Go in my interest. So yeah, and as we see always in our videos, we will
okay,
play
Taylor Swift is playing. Okay, I have 41.
Oh, okay.
So simple.
So yeah, we will play with any of our fans.
Okay,
we love you. We would be nothing without you. As in famous YouTubers. But we seriously wouldn't be, even though that we have like 4 subscribers. So yeah.
Yes. Hey, I'm right here.
Up the stairs. Go.
It's black and white.
Do that. Oh my god, Miranda. Thank you for putting them all around for me to capture.
Orion. Sorry, my puppy is barking at my brother.
Yeah, it's Sally. Okay, now I just need some dye.
Dye? What dye?
Like any color. What colors do you want?
I want blue. I want lapida.
Let's do green too.
Yeah. Lapida.
No, I'll just grab all of them. I have.
Lapida. Where's your lapida?
I have lapida. I
Where
think.
is it?
Somewhere. I think. I have a really pretty one kind.
Maybe I can have a try it. Flying, flying,
Alright,
flying.
here we go.
We added the wood. We added the wood. Yeah, we added the wood. Are we in the clear? Are we in the clear?
See, my phone glitch. I mean, my computer glitches a lot. I just thought, now the light blue one. And then, what else color do you want? What color do
I
you
want
want?
lapida.
Yeah, look, I have one.
That's all I want.
Light blue and blue. Okay, and I think I know how to do this. I'm pretty sure I know how to do this. Pretty sure. I might be wrong. Oh my god. Again, the phone.
Sorry for that. Are we at the woods? We at the woods? Are we at the woods? Are we at the woods? Are we in the clear? Are we in the clear?
Oh, okay. I need paper and okay, yeah. But actually, I have exactly the amount. I need paper.
I have
I need more and more. Wait, we need more gunpowder. We need as much gunpowder as we can get.
I don't have any more.
Oh, crap. Because we only have.
Well, I'll do it. I'll make some paper. How much paper?
4.
Well, whatever.
Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry, I was looking at her computer. I need gunpowder.
You need more?
Oh, here. Now we have 10. We're good. We're good.
You said you had the exact amount.
Yeah. Actually, we don't. Okay. I'm just gonna do this.
Wait, I have paper. Paper rescue. Paper rescue. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Take it.
Oh, do I have it? I don't have it.
Oops.
I'm trying to get. Sorry, this episode is a little bit down because I don't know.
Because we're not fun. No. We are fun. Don't worry. Don't do
I want pink and black.
I don't want pink. I don't like pink. Mine are the blue ones. How about that?
Yeah.
I'll be fine with that.
Black, and then I need red.
Why do you need red?
I'm looking at Grace's chest. She might have some. I'll just take the one that I need. That's fine, right?
Right? I'd rather not answer.
Well, I do like purple, but I like pink more. Oh, sorry.
Take purple. Why do you like pink? It's a disgusting color.
I love it. Nala!
Nana! Baby girl!
Oh my crap, I can't find any.
Find any what? Insects?
Yeah. Well, no,
What?
red or pink.
So use purple. Use purple. Right?
Girl.
What?
Yeah, 6 gunpowder too. Yeah.
What? Who? What?
Your boyfriend has 6 gunpowder. Okay. Good for me. Okay, I'm just gonna make it purple.
Really make it purple. You would say. Okay, this good now.
Okay. Here. Here.
I thought you wanted
Oh,
black.
crap, I just made 8. Ugh. More. Okay, I know that I could have done this an easier way, but good for me. And I still have more number. Okay, 4, I think. Oh my god, I don't have to. I forgot I need more, oh no, here. No, we're fine.
Paper.
Okay, on the top, I think. Alright? Okay. Wait, I can have that. Okay, we're good. Now we just need one. Okay. I'm gonna pick it up.
Do I have a blue one?
Yep. Blue one.
But I want dark blue.
I did light blue and dark blue. These are the stuff. See how you set your time on your party to know what code is.
We should do our closing.
We need to do our closing with this. Oh my god.
We need to do our closing.
I don't know.
We need to do our closing, or we gotta redo this video.
But we need to do our closing with this. With the fireworks. Okay, we'll just do it in the day.
No, we'll do it right here. No.
It's so dark. It's dark up there.
No.
It's not dark.
Yeah, it is.
Do I have night vision or something? It's not dark.
Yeah, it is. It's dark. Not on yours.
Oh my god. Okay, fine. When I PP, we'll just do it in the day. And those will be in the night. And
Oops.
yeah.
PC. Mine will be at night.
Yeah, I just can't hear hers. Sorry. Okay, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're gonna end with fireworks for our wonderful. Yep, subscribe. And subscribe to us and subscribe to Joey. It's just how the life works, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. But yeah. So I hope you loved this video. Okay, bye. Okay. Wait.
That's me. Say bye.
Okay, now.
3.
You can go first.
3.
Woo! Yours was a much prettier than mine. I love mine. Okay, girl. So yeah, my girlfriend, my guy friend. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you subscribe to us, then comment.
Your username.
Yeah, comment your username if you want to play with us, because we are always open to play with you. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Sorry, we were just making that. Well, here's something that you can do. Now you can learn how to make a firework by me. Yours truly, Glam Queen, and oh my god, now I'm dying. Okay, good thing. Good ending, right? Right, because I'm hard.